Grabe guys ha. Yung section 12 ito, mas naintindihan ko eh. Di ba? The right to disembark and embark in transit means Filipino workers working international voyages have the right to get on and off the ships in other countries during their journey to their work location to return home as long as the process is safe and legal. It's not just about the arrival at their final destination. For example, seafarer might need to change ships in a port in Singapore while traveling to their final work location in another country. This section guarantees the right to do so without facing unnecessary obstacles or being denied entry or exit in transit country, provided we have appropriate documentation. Okay. This is particularly important because seafarers often travel long distances. Often they're involving multiple ports and transfers. This right ensures they aren't confined to a ship for one entire journey and can access necessary services or address urgent needs, provided those actions are compliant with the laws of the country where they are disembarking. This right, however, doesn't mean that they have the right to stay for an extended time. This solely limited to transit purposes that are deemed legitimate and safe by relevant authorities. Okay. So now, dito, explain section, pagod na ako guys, explain section 13. Grabe, inisa-isa natin to.